Yaka politics a ye dura eye gospel artist ni ma. Ni anka onu wayi nanim pa se wono oye politics evangelist dan na Samoa wone de wajumu ntintim ba che adwuma nyina na ekufu ado ama ne bia ya wuti ekufu ado nan so amesero evangelist dan na Samoa na kuma na watia na wodi ntintim ba pa ewo MPP no na enso sa wo bia nya agoro na wode no begim Nicholas Omane Acheampong a woto Tvgh ai safina pane a edini ehu won se sa papa no watwa ne ti punk bi kakra se wo ye kokko bi se ye kokko se ye eno de echire ye behu mu nsam a efi echire ba wa be kasa na kasa na obe kasa ye no ewo mu se politics de wo bia ye bidie nenso wo ya o kasa ma na broso a pa kire se omampani John Dramani Mahama wo ba ye ni dum so be ye almost 7 years Ghana for ye da dum so mu a ende Ghana for sebe sano kan sebe Ghana for ye Jimmy for kakrenti ye pese ye san tuma John Dramani Mahama ade ya se ya na wasre wa bondwum krama gba omi a ndwum na gba omi bas obi an kofu bi na chese ye nya asundwe wo mam enti sa fi so wa ba pepe bi pa to dia wasre so obeto aba magba omi na obedi abaso obetena Ghana konwa so no de Omane na ekoye na ye san tuma Mahama wo bechie nyina awi se gale wo bechie nyina awi te se ni e fa mu de emu obede papa na te se politics na wo ye nenso ye wo hwe fa baabi no kamia ye se ye dirty talks enti amafo buabu ano ebi kasa tia Omane Acheampong se ne wo ye na ye na ne a wo kasa ya na se no no de ne se ne bo atwe camera se ne so abesi afidie so Kevin Taylor abekasa ebo Omane Acheampong se Omane Acheampong ye na no din ono Kevin won ka se obi anto aba ema Mahama debi wo bebi obi abeto na aba akọ nenso se sika fia wa bi a waje sebe wo de kwakoto nkundi asra sebe sebe wo ba bi nti Kevin eka sika fia wa bi a Omane age a wo de kwakoto nku asra ne ba bi nti na sebe wo di sa nkwase asam we ewe na se Omane Acheampong Kevin se wankana no antuma dirty games awaye nkrofo fraud awaye nkrofo sika awaye nyina wode ne nyina beba beto abonti mayenti Kevin ene Omane emrasisia
this guy that's some buy say a friend no Nicholas Omane Acheampong menya sure say guy obetuma che ono ane din ende bia makasa asem we mu nyina wo mahu say dana samokura wagimi kura mpo we nya opportunity ma NDC MPP for man contract we ohunu hu so nyansa chen dana samwa ohunu hu say ne ebie chen dana samwa hwene punk I say people so wo 2024 hwene punk I say people so wo uni people so wo Goliath time no wo bi no mutitre no ye fa mo people so wo we hwene punk 2024 na me kote say ai okeka na adwene kire na John Mahama me read this story no. But when you see people like this, and I've always said, you need into Abama MPP, but to utterances, any you maybe I'll be kind of better. So we Jimmy or see a town and see a town. That is what we do. Inti enya we mu na mukasa metonyo aba umia inti nyame be se da bi no no ankasa ankasa semina o de sra nyame akira so be ma o yusuru ho ye nipa ye tena se we die ono na nyame afre no wa hwiana botiom da wa hwiana be ma ho da ne ho bon so pokre ne ade. These are not people we need to waste time on. This guy, he was involved in visa fraud. Osanko da jail 30 years. By a Jimmy Ogana. Ye jai akromfo near tata ni papa. Nicholas Omane Acheampong. Or a visa fraudster. Or a kromfo. This guy, at a point, odupi nipa. Every year musika sort of abruchi. We nyamisambe ne wonimu. The reason I'm doing this is to say, we are Christiania. Enya obi oye Christo bi na nim nyanso Christo fo di bi ejimi papa obo ha oye Christian true tribe. We don't need to waste time on a man who spends hours bleaching himself otumi ebutuniti na odi nkufa no hwase se ne hwase be efe wei onye nipa otumi dwene kwa ekire obekono gina hwe no obutuniti wo fom adan wo butuni kon odi nkufa no hwase ma ne hwase ayefe. These are foolish people. He was arrested 2003 and till date ontumi mpo embe yi ne wano Why should we sit in Ghana and say Nicholas Omane Acheampong akasa? Nicholas Omane Acheampong your kromfo visa. Me nyam na story ni ace gospel musician Nicholas Omane Acheampong aka Tabitakum kwasiadin was at the weekend arrested at his hideout okotetayu okojin konfo tika so do mekwa abroche e na okotetaye wey enisi ye gya na osanke di cheni unim ahoma ye de bone nan nanka circle obi aba na otwa na chi kromfo wey wahagoda no kan say Ethiopia jantreni de bia ne to sinkum. So these are the people we need to waste our time on. And when you go, he says he was hiding in Tema in a hotel. Now some documents the Chronicles cited suggested that Tabitakum had defrauded 4 people between 2002 and 2003 to the tune of 155 million under the pretext of securing visas for them to travel to Europe. And when you see such low esteem individuals, human beings who don't even have trust in themselves as humans, we are not supposed to pay attention. Majority of them will be coming soon. Let's give them a week or 2, a month. They will be coming soon as software musicians, actors, actresses. They will be coming. Oh, we support Baumia, but Omoba, check where they are coming from. What they are showing in our roots. Free. The same KVIP mu. They are all coming from the same pits. They come in different forms. They lie in different forms because it is the hatred for Ghana being together. They don't want it. The same thing. And obi to say Diana Samoa. Eya no Jimmy erade and the contractor Diana Samoa wo. Won kran ni na woten kran no ni bi. But osi obeto nyuma manyame asesa Ghana. Diana Samoa bie de numa I say vacuum cleaner. And these are people. So what's this? They are coming from the same geographical area. That is their life. They are ungrateful people. A deliberate way of destroying Ghana. A set of people who have decided say Ghana mpuntu romo pene. Shana Dana Samoa wasra adentina wasra because opese oyese preku. The natural skin on pe. Acheampong. Nicholas Omane Acheampong. These are people. Mamientie such foolish people.
Politics. The same baby San Jacob say Jessica de na was say yes so ye dear who room near Pesican near to me politics near because ye na ye bre a quenchua macra.